This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Beautiful home with first floor master bedroom and open floor plan is situated on a 3.8-acre lot and ready to move into. Built in 2018 and meticulously cared for will make this home better than new construction. The lovely screened-in back porch and open-air patio give a peaceful view to the wooded lot behind the home. The living room with its vaulted ceilings with the loft above allow natural light to shine through the delightful living spaces. The kitchen boasts elegant granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a bar for seating and a quaint eat-and-breakfast area. The room over the garage is a large finished space with limitless possibilities. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Trigger at 757-47